Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for fast, affordable, and reliable web hosting in 2025, you've probably come across Hostinger. But is it really worth your money? In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know in this in-depth Hostinger review. We'll go over the features, pricing, performance, and how good their customer support really is, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your website or business. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about features. Hostinger is known for its beginner-friendly dashboard and smooth onboarding. Whether you're launching your first blog, running an online store, or managing client sites, their platform is designed to make the process easy. It comes with a custom-built control panel that's faster and cleaner than the traditional cPanel. You'll also get a free domain with most plans, free email accounts, a one-click WordPress installer, and automated backups depending on the tier you choose. They also offer Lightspeed caching technology and Cloudflare protection on all plans, which helps your website load faster and stay secure. For WordPress users, Hostinger includes built-in optimization and tools like WP Starter, which makes setting up themes and essential plugins incredibly simple. Now let's talk pricing. This is where Hostinger really stands out. Their plans start as low as $2.99 per month if you go for a longer-term package. Even the base plan includes 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, and unlimited bandwidth. The value you get at that price point is hard to beat. Just be aware that the renewal rates are higher than the introductory price, but that's pretty standard in the hosting world. Their higher-tier plans, like business or cloud hosting, come with more resources and better performance, especially if your site starts getting more traffic. Compared to other hosting providers, Hostinger is still one of the most cost-effective solutions without sacrificing quality. Alright, let's move on to performance. We tested multiple sites hosted on Hostinger, and the results were impressive. Page load times were consistently under 1 second, and uptime stayed above 99.9% over several months of monitoring. That's exactly what you want if you're serious about SEO or running an online store. Hostinger servers use Lightspeed technology and SSD storage, which gives them a real performance edge, especially for WordPress sites. Plus, they have data centers located around the world, including the US, Europe, Asia, and South America, so you can choose the one closest to your audience for better speed and reliability. Now let's talk about customer support, because even with the best hosting, issues can still pop up. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat support, and from our experience, their response times were fast, usually within a couple of minutes. The agents were knowledgeable and genuinely helpful, not just copy-pasting generic answers. If you're more of a DIY person, Hostinger also has an extensive knowledge base with hundreds of step-by-step guides and tutorials that can help you solve most problems without even contacting support. So, what's the verdict on Hostinger? If you're looking for a hosting provider that's fast, secure, packed with features, and incredibly budget-friendly, especially for beginners and small businesses, Hostinger is absolutely worth considering. With solid performance, a modern interface, and reliable support, it offers serious value at a price that's hard to beat. Let me know in the comments if you've used Hostinger or if you have any questions I didn't cover. And if you're planning to sign up, check the link in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on more honest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.